Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn programming for mobile devices. First, let's explore the initial steps to kickstart your journey. It's essential to grasp fundamental programming concepts like variables, loops, and functions. This foundational knowledge will serve as a strong base, making it easier to understand mobile-specific frameworks later on. We'll guide you through choosing the right starting point for your learning adventure. Now let's talk about choosing your development path. You can go native, focusing on either iOS with Swift or Android with Kotlin. These offer the best performance and access to device features. Alternatively, consider cross-platform frameworks like React Native, which uses JavaScript, or Flutter, which uses Dart. These allow you to write code once and deploy to both iOS and Android, potentially saving a significant amount of time. The best way to learn is by doing. Engage with interactive online courses and follow tutorials step by step. Dedicate at least 30 minutes each day to coding practice. Don't be afraid to experiment with small projects. This helps solidify your understanding of new concepts. Many resources offer free access to basic lessons, and some premium courses cost around $15 to $50. Finally, it's time to build. Start creating your own mobile applications, even simple ones, to build a portfolio. This demonstrates your abilities to potential employers or clients. Consider contributing to open-source projects to gain collaborative experience. Continuously learn and adapt to new technologies. The mobile development landscape evolves rapidly. Your journey is just beginning, so keep exploring and creating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.